Welcome to our channel. Today we how to deploy financial goals with Empower Retirement easy tutorial step by step clearly. To begin setting and deploying your financial goals with Empower Retirement, first, visit the Empower Retirement website. Once on the home page, locate and click on the login button at the top right corner. Enter your username and password on the login page, then click Login. After logging in, navigate to the Planning section from the main menu. In the Planning section, select Goals to access the Financial Goals dashboard. Here, you'll find an overview of your current goals as well as options to create new ones. To add a new financial goal, click on the Add a Goal button. You will need to choose the type of goal you want to set, such as retirement savings or a specific financial target. Once you've selected a goal type, enter the desired amount and the target date for achieving this goal. Next, specify how much you plan to contribute regularly, whether monthly, quarterly, or annually. Review the summary of your financial goal to ensure everything looks correct. If satisfied, click the Save button to confirm your new goal. After saving, return to the dashboard to see your updated goals list. From here, you can track your progress and make adjustments as needed. To enhance your strategy, consider utilizing the budgeting tools available within the platform. Regularly revisit your goals to ensure you stay on track and adjust them as your financial situation evolves. Finally, take advantage of the educational resources provided by Empower Retirement to stay informed about best practices in financial planning. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.